Did you know that more than a third of adults are putting their health at risk by using cleaning products incorrectly in an effort to prevent catching coronavirus? Joining us now to share some key cleaning techniques and what you should be looking for in your cleaning products is the Director of Home Appliances and Cleaning Products Lab at Good Housekeeping. Welcome, Carolyn Forte. Carolyn, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
So tell me, Carolyn, what is the biggest misconception about cleaning products and what should we be looking for?
I think most people don't realize that cleaning products that claim to kill germs and disinfect don't do so instantaneously. So it's not a matter of just spray and wipe and the germs are killed. It's really important to let the surfaces remain wet so these products can do their job.
Okay, so you have some tips. Look for a product that's registered with the EPA.
Correct. That's what we use at Good Housekeeping whenever we evaluate disinfecting or products that claim to kill germs. Any product that claims to disinfect or kill germs or sanitize has to be registered with the EPA in order to be sold in this country. So that's an indication to the consumer that the claims on the label are true and have been verified, and that the product, if you follow the label directions, the product will work as it promises. Now, it's a little bit hard. It may be hard to find the EPA registration. I'm just going to try and move this up a little bit so you can see. But check the fine print. It's usually on the back label, down around near the bottom, but you'll see the EPA registration number.
Okay, great. So we can find that number on the back of the label. Number two, know the difference between disinfecting and sanitizing.
Yes, both kill germs and both will help stop the spread of infection, but they are different. Disinfecting kills 99.999% of germs, whereas sanitizing kills 99.9. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, but it does make a difference. And sanitizing usually happens a lot faster, so you want to read the back of the label. Sanitizing in this product, for example, which both sanitizes and disinfects, you can sanitize in 10 seconds, but if you want to disinfect, you need to leave it on there for 60 seconds.
Okay, so some products can do both, but it's a matter of the time that you leave it on if you disinfect or actually sanitize.
Exactly.
So I like this one. You say you can't disinfect a surface that's dirty.
That's absolutely true. So if you are cleaning a surface and it's got crumbs, I don't know if you can see, but I put some crumbs and some juice spills on my table here. The cleaning products are not going to be able to disinfect through that dirt and grime. So the first thing you need to do is wash the surface first, and you can do it with just regular soap and water. You don't need anything special. Just make sure the surface is clean, and then you can go ahead and use your disinfecting product.
Perfect. And you got to make sure that you wet the entire surface. Some people just kind of wet a little bit, but not all of it.
Right. So I'm going to use these wipes as an example. And ensure it stays wet. I've got the wipe here. You want to do the whole surface. And you can use your phone to just time it. Follow the label directions. Sanitizing can be anywhere from 10 seconds. Disinfecting can be up to 10 minutes, depending on the type of the product, the formula, and the type of germs you want to kill. So make sure it stays wet for that length of time. You may need to use an extra wipe, or you may need to give it an extra spray, just to make sure you've met that time limit.
And real fast before we go, why can't we disinfect softer surfaces?
Because the EPA only governs hard, non-porous surfaces as far as disinfection goes. Sanitizing a surface like a fabric is porous. The germs could be hidden inside, so you can reach a certain level. You can reach the sanitizing level. You can't reach the disinfecting level on a soft, porous surface.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Carolyn. It's such great information. And for more information, just go to our website, thedoctorstv.com.